Hello, my dear students. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm here again with a new video about present continuous tense. So, today we are going to learn present continuous tense. As you know, in the previous video, you learned the present continuous tense. Alright. So, now, step by step, in every day, I will teach you the tenses. Okay, one by one we will do it, inshallah. So the present indefinite tense is done. All right, hope so you understand my lecture. Also I have given the short test at the end of the video, so do that test. Okay, and also give me the correct answer in the comment section. All right, then I came to know that you are understanding my lectures. All right, so now be active because we are going to start the present continuous tense. All right, so what is the recognition of the present continuous tense? How we know that this the sentence which we can see anywhere, so this is a present continuous tense. All right, so it's very simple. What you have to do, whenever you saw any sentence in Urdu where you can see these types of words, for example raha hoon, rahe hain, or these types of words, so it means you are doing this at the present time. All right, so obviously present is the thing which is happening right now. All right, so raha hu, rahi hu, rahe hain, so this is a you can say you can recognize the tense that this is a present continuous tense. All right, for instance wo English ravani se bol raha hai, right, bol raha hai, so he is speaking English fluently, right? All right, so now have a look on the structure. So what is the basic structure of the present continuous tense? So for affirmative sentences, the formula or the structure of the for the affirmative sentences is subject plus is mr plus verb ing form. Okay, ing form we can also say gerund form. All right, so and plus object. All right, so it means here are is mr, the helping verb we will use in the present continuous tense. It will be is mr. All right, and the verb form will be ing form, or in other words we can say the gerund form. All right, so now let's make a sentence by using the same structure. But before making the sentence, you can see that for all types of sentences in the present continuous, here's some you can say rule. For example, always we put am with I. Okay, for example, I'm doing my work. All right, so and we will put is with any singular. All right, he, she, it, or any singulars we will use is, and we will use are with the plural ones. All right, so just have a look on the example. Okay, I am working hard. all right, मैं सख्त मेहनत कर रही हूँ. I am working hard, right? All right, Ali is working hard. So here in these three examples, I used all the three helping verbs. All right, is, am, are. All right, so as you can see that I use am with I am working hard, and then Ali is working hard, or they are working hard, right? So that's it. Alright, so what will be the structure for the negative sentences? The structure will be same. As you can see that negative sentences, so what we have to put? We only have to use not here. Alright, so not, subject plus is mr plus not plus ing form plus object, right? So example will be he is not playing cricket. Alright, they are not taking English class. Alright, and also you also have to make the sentences. All right, by using your own mind, and also you can write the sentences in the comment section. All right, then I will check it out. All right, so negative sentences is done. All right, and then what will be the structure for the interrogative sentences? So it's very simple. As I already told you that whenever there will be interrogative sentences, what we have to do, the only thing we have to do is we will put the helping verbs or the verbs at the start of the sentence, right? So there will be is, am, are will be at the start of the sentence, plus subject plus ing form or gerund form plus object and plus question mark, right? So have a look on the examples. Am I eating rice? Is he playing cricket? Are they watching TV? So these are the examples of interrogative sentences. Okay, now what will be the structure of the interrogative negative sentences? Means where the sentences in which there will be question mark as well as where we use the not. So their structure will be same. The only thing which we have to do, we have to add not. Alright. So is MR plus subject plus not plus verb plus ing form plus object plus question mark. Right. So you can see the examples here also. Am I not drinking water? Is she not cooking food? Are they not working hard? Alright, so these are the structure for present continuous tense, and all the sentences, all the types of sentences in the present continuous tense, I elaborated all the structures. Alright, so here's a test for your assessment. You will answer me in the comment section so that I came to know your understanding about this important lecture of present continuous tense. Alright, so have a look on the test. You will solve this test, all right, and your answers will be in the comment section. Okay, I will check it out. All right, so these are the questions, all right, which you have to solve so that I will assess your understanding, all right, by checking out the answers. All right, so that's it for today. All right, I hope so you understand the lecture very well. All right, so stay safe, stay healthy, and stay connected. Take care.